Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll learn a new stitch called Fern stitch. This stitch looks like ferns and so I am using green color thread. I have taken 3 strands. Now I'll show you to put this fern stitch in 3 lines. Insert the needle in the center line and put a back stitch like this. Once again we'll put one more back stitch in the center line. After putting this back stitch, insert the needle straight to the last stitch and go back in between both the stitches. Now insert the needle on the other line and go back at the same point. First fern we have finished, and once again in the center line put one back stitch and now insert the thread and the needle in one line straight to the previous stitch and insert in between both the back stitches. Once again insert the needle on the other line, go back at the same point. We have finished 2 ferns, and for the third stitch in the center line insert the needle and put one back stitch. Now insert the needle straight to the previous stitch. Diagonally insert the needle and put one side fern and go to the other line and put the other fern. Now we have finished 3 stitches. Once again in the center line insert your needle and put a back stitch. Now come to the first line straight to the previous stitch and insert in between both the stitches, and now go to the other line and insert at the same point. We have finished 4 ferns. Once again in the center line put one back stitch and continue ferns at equal intervals. You can use this stitch for leaves in your pattern and for border designs in your embroidering. This stitch looks more or less like fishbone stitch, but the method is completely different, and this is called fern stitch. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment. I am going to finish the stitch. If you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends. And this is the back view of the stitch. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have given the links for other stitches in the description. Thank you.